I have been working on when I came for marketing, there were like so many inhibitions that I had about how the course would look like. Okay, how like being from DCP, how would these different atmospheres, okay, add up to the uncertainty, and then COVID came, adding to, I mean, making it even worse. Okay, so I think how you could encounter those uncertain times, how you could fight back, and how your challenges become, or your weaknesses become a better gateway for encountering opportunities. Okay, that's what I've learned over here. Okay, I've tried to pursue every opportunity that I've had, whether it be case study competitions, whether it be corporate, when we came up for the placements and all. I've tried to excel in every opportunity that the institute has provided me with. So yes, I think that's where IMT as an organization comes in and involves in nurturing my character and my career both.